probably the best value product in the audio-visual world right now. So Rode have released yet another bit of free firmware, yet more value from Rode.
Do you know, when you think I couldn't like it anymore,
you're about to like it even more.
Free stuff.
More free stuff. So this new firmware now enables the Rodecaster Pro to control your computer via MIDI over USB.
Do you know what? That sort of stuff worries me, AJ.
Not control like, oh, it's going to take over the world, Skynet style.
Right.
Control like, oh, I can turn the volume up and down on your computer's DAW. So if you're using
but
Logic,
that's how it starts. I watched a movie on this.
Yes.
It's like AI, and it starts becoming like smart, really smart.
Terminator. That's the film you saw.
And before you know it, it's spreading all over the world.
Right.
And it's getting into other computers.
No, this isn't the Matrix.
What Rode have done is they've asked us to allow this to have access to our computers.
No.
And then
no, that's not going to happen. This is just a MIDI controller. So for those of you listening that are unsure, MIDI is from the recording studio world. It's musical instrument digital interface. Yes. And it means with a piece of hardware external to your computer, you can control parameters. Let's say in Premiere Pro, like your audio track mixer, you've got those faders on there, the virtual faders that you move with your mouse.
Yeah.
But now you can use real faders and control them. So you can control a mix or a recording as it's happening with this as your mixing desk. So now the Rodecaster Pro is not just a way to record audio. It's now an interface with your computer to send audio to your computer and to be able to control all the parameters that you want it to inside Premiere Pro or Logic or Pro Tools, all for £400-500.
Oh,
mental.
Free. All
well, the upgrade's free.
So if you've already got it, this is going to cost you nothing.
Nothing. That's insane.
Do you know, there's a lot to like about the Australians, isn't there?
Yeah, Tim Tams, or what are they called? Tom Tams?
That guy that sent us all that chocolate that I ate.
Yeah, Ashley,
I appreciate it, but I'm 19 stone. and I blame that partly on you.
Yeah, and picnics without raisins in them.
We had a lot of chocolate. There was some stuff there I've never tried in my life.
No.
And I'm kind of sad about it. I kind of wish I'd never had it.
Yes.
That Rocky Road thing was nice.
I didn't eat any of it.
No, you didn't.
Oh. Yeah, so...
MIDIs. Free MIDIs.
Yeah.
It controls your computer.
MIDI control from the Rodecaster Pro.
Could take over the world if you're not
No,
careful.
it won't take over the world. But there's also other parts of this firmware upgrade. It's not just MIDI control.
Just be careful, people.
Okay.
Be careful if you're going to let Rode start taking over your computer. Just be careful.
There's a button now that I wish existed because I've not upgraded this one yet. It's the swear button.
Be careful.
Which essentially does, I think, this.
What's the point in that?
It just turns you off.
Yeah, but that's a lot of. Why would you do that? Why would you do that?
Yeah. So the swear button is you can program it to the programmable buttons here, the sound bank, and press it if someone's going to swear, and it mutes all audio.
It makes me tempted to swear.
Yeah,
see if
but we haven't got it.
Can you touch it in time? Can you touch it? Can you touch it? Can you touch it? Can you touch it?
Stop it. There's also, because of the MIDI control, the Rodecaster Pro can now act as a vision mixer as well. So you can control video feeds if you've got multiple video feeds coming into your computer. It could be an audio mixer or a vision mixer, maybe even both.
Which is good.
Yeah.
It's good.
It's probably the best value product in the audio-visual world right now.